Hello and welcome. What is a theme? A WordPress theme is a collection of files known as template files that work together to produce a graphical interface for your website. So these files give your website an overall appearance and look. And the files that comprises the theme basically include style sheets, which inside the style sheet you might have definitions for your fonts, the color, background, and so on. So they are collectively known as template files, and this also includes the style sheets. So the actual front end that the visitors to your website sees is known as the theme. There are several free themes, and there are also premium and paid themes. When you install a new WordPress website, it automatically gives it a default theme produced by WordPress. You can always change your theme from the WordPress admin dashboard, and you can change and also add your own themes, either premium or free. So a theme will basically detect the look and style of your website. All right. So there are several themes out there depending on what your website is about. If you do a quick Google search relating to your subject title, it will bring up different types of themes relating to your subject. So when you install WordPress for the first time, this is the default theme. As this default theme changes all the time. So as of December 2017, this is the current theme they have available, but it does change often. So you may not see this if you basically try to install WordPress maybe 2-3 months down the line. The theme may be different. So this is the default theme that comes for December 2017. So you can obviously change it to your own theme if you like, if you know what theme to use. Just go to a known website, or a theme provider, and you can use one of their themes. So this is the default theme, but we are going to add our own theme. I'm going to go to a theme developer or producer called Site Origin, and we're going to use one of their themes. So this is a website called Site Origin. They have some very useful themes, so you can click through to look through their theme. But one of their popular themes is this one here called Vantage, and it's free, completely free. So you can see this is what the theme looks like, the appearance. So just scroll through and look at the various components of the theme. It's absolutely free. They've also got some paid ones as well. And if you want to look through the demo, you can look through the demo and see what the theme looks like. I'm just going to download it. So I'm going to click on download theme. It's usually in a zip format. So when it downloads, you do not extract the file. When you install it via the WordPress dashboard, you have to install it in the zipped format. So that's it downloading. I'll just wait for it to finish, and then I'll go to my dashboard and install the theme from there. So now that the theme has been downloaded, the theme is a responsive theme. A responsive theme basically is a theme that will work the same way regardless of this device screen. So if you have a big desktop screen, a small phone screen, a iPad screen, or normal tablet, regardless of the type of screen that you're using to view the website, it will be the same. That's what is known as a responsive theme. So the Vantage theme we've just downloaded is a responsive theme. So to install it, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged in, click on Appearance and then click on Themes. Okay, once that loads, then there will be an option to upload click on the upload here, click on upload, and in the upload you have to upload the theme. Click on upload and point it to the file you downloaded. So I'm going to click upload. So once you select upload, on the bottom here you have to choose the theme. It says you have a theme in zip format, so click on choose file, and this is my theme here. I'll just click on it, and once you've got it listed there, click on install now, and it will begin the installation of the theme. Once the theme has been installed, you see a message here that says theme installed successfully, and you can view, have a live preview of the theme, or you can activate. So I'm going to activate it. I'll click activate to activate the theme, and then once it's activated, I can click on my link here to go back to my website, and you should see the theme would have changed. You can see the theme has changed in comparison to the default theme I had when I installed WordPress. So this Vantage theme is a responsive theme that will behave the same way, either on a small screen or on a large screen. So that's it for this video on WordPress theme. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.